Behind me is the spider crane that is being used to erect the formwork for the vent structure in the basement that will be used to drag out any bad air from the car park. I'm stood in the entrance lobby where the curtain walling is in progress behind me. This gives you an idea of how much light you're going to get through your entrance lobby. Let's take a deep dive into the progress that has been made in the swimming pool area within your resident facilities. The insulation is currently being installed on the ceiling. I'm standing on level 7 of Primrose House where the underfloor heating preparation is underway, and we've also just finished installing our sliding doors.
Here we are in our second show home that we've completed at Camden. This is our one-bed show home and it is finished in the Hepworth selection, the lighter of the two palettes. Thank you for watching the Spring Update. I'll see you next time.